vlog today. Very good morning everyone. Now we are going to the waterfall actually, and you guys see which waterfall we are going to. And today we are having with us Benny, Lara. Who are you?
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Okay, that's sounds crazy. We are going Devkund Waterfall. I guess today will not get any rush over there, so that's why we started so early. And look at the road, guys. It's so fun. I know the wind noise is coming over there due to, I think he is running on 50 or 60 km/h speed. So that's how. So we'll go to the base village and we'll continue the vlog over there. And we got the monkeys over here. We got the monkeys. Okay, they are having breakfast right now. In the morning at 8 o'clock, they are having breakfast. Okay. Ara, we got the gang of monkeys. Ah, how she is looking at you. They will snatch your phone, okay? Take care.
No, I'm kind of good. There's so many monkeys.
Yeah.
As long as they don't stomp on my head.
Okay.
What is your food?
They are giving them some food, so that's why. Yeah, okay. Okay, cool. That's cool.
Okay.
Guys, look at it.
Oh, baby. So cute.
It's so cute. Okay, so the people at the same time they're scared of monkeys and they're feeding them.
Yeah.
A lot of monkeys are there.
The thing is, when they get too comfortable, like at the temple,
Yeah.
and then snatch your stuff.
Exactly.
And yeah, like,
Just look at the clouds are there. They are welcoming us. So, wow, this is so wow. That's the bossy one. See, he's a boss. Lot of bulls are there. Cows, not bulls actually. Hello everyone, good morning from Pune. Woo, you guys are just amazing. And finally we reach at the base point and we'll start trek from here. I think it took almost 2 hours to reach the waterfall. Let's go, guys.
sorry.
Okay, so we are having some little breakfast over here. And, this is a tiny shop you will get here, and this is where we park our vehicle. And guys, today is a very good environment over here. No rain and what I can say, not much humidity. That's good. Okay, so we'll finish our breakfast and we'll start our trek now. And yeah, we got one more omelette bread and
Thank you.
the tea is here. You guys can have it. I don't want it. I already had enough. Okay, and we are just hitting on the trail. It's a very small trail, and after that we need to pay some money to the locals and for our safety, and start our actual trek from the point. We took some tricky road over here. We have a first water crossing with us, and it's so beautiful. Woo! Give me your hand. Yeah, boy. You have supernatural powers with you. You jump so long.
I don't know about that.
We are facing too much humidity today. See, because it's not raining today. And yeah, you can see like this. I'm having so much humidity. Not an issue. Yeah, everything is done, and we just heated the trail. Now, so this is the road, and these are guys. The locals are so good. They charge 200 rupees per person for the safety reasons. If something wrong happened to you, they will rescue you from the very beginning. So it's worth it. And Ben is crossing the first washer crossing. Okay, careful.
Oh, actually make it faster.
Jump, boya. Okay. Jump here. Okay. Good. Oh, she has her own way. Good, very good. Let's go. We're gonna hit a big water crossing now after this.
Oh.
Yeah. You know the water crossing height? Like this, Benny.
Oh, what?
Yeah, like this.
You have to walk through it.
We need to cross this much.
You stupid. We can also give you our poisonous.
Like some photographer skills.
Yeah.
What do you need contact?
Yeah, now you go on there too. So we can. Here you can see some wild creatures of the Indian rainforest.
Finally, we reached at the one point where we took some good photos. If you want to see our photos, you can follow us on Instagram. The ID is Traveler Plush. You guys can see below somewhere here. And Benny is having a good time with the lake. What about Lara? Lara, are you having a good time?
I'm absolutely having
Yeah,
a good time.
that's
Really
good.
amazing here.
Yeah, it feels really amazing. Look at the reflection of the, the mountains in the river. What I can say is the lake. Wow, this is amazing. Very cool. Benny, good? My God, yeah. Chalo Bandy. I teach him that. Chalo Bandy. Benny, sing something like that they sing on the table.
Which table?
Yeah, something like.
Huh?
What do you sing that day?
Ah, so you mean like you're saying?
Yeah.
Like for drinking.
Yeah.
Hoch der Kolbe, neidet Zinke, morgen müssen wir Wasser trinken. Prost.
Yeah, that one.
Zicke, zacke, zicke, zacke.
Hi, hi, hi.
You should do that too. Zicke, zacke, zicke, zacke.
Hi, hi, hi.
Zicke, zacke, zicke, zacke.
Hi,
Hi.
Prost, ihr Säcke.
Prost, du Sack.
I think now it's enough.
That's enough now. You need stick?
Huh?
You need stick? Take it.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so we are about to cross second river crossing over here. And Benny is so excited.
I got a stick.
And Lara is more excited than Benny. And this girl is a DJ Wali girl. She is more excited to fall. No, she's good. She's good in tricks. Just wait. I'm going there. Then you come to me. No, that's fine.
You can throw the stick back.
Yeah. No, that's fine. That's problem. There's no problem. Like this. Woo! Yeah, that's so cool and refreshing. Yeah, she's a good trekker.
No,
I can
it's
see
just
you.
because the shoes are
Yeah, you
getting
got
wet.
you got skills.
And the last time they were getting wet, it took like more than a week and they're getting dry.
Holy moly!
Holy moly!
Holy moly.
Woo! My God, you guys gonna? Okay, that's good.
Be careful, be careful.
Such a cute boyfriend you are having. My God, look at his face. You're red now.
I was wet before.
Yeah.
No, it's just
Anyways, they are a really cute
And
couple
now she
I
doesn't
have
want to
seen.
even want to wear the backpack. Carry it.
Oh my God, guys, look at the nature over here. It's so beautiful, and the mountains are so huge and beautiful. It feels like I wish to climb over there, but unfortunately I couldn't because I'm not that much expert in this. But this is so amazing. How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, how are you guys feeling?
Good. I mean, the trek is really easy.
Easy.
It's just like a little. It's
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
It's so beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
The real adventure starts from here.
Yeah. Nice.
Are you
Now
listening
it's
to the
getting,
noise?
and now it's getting steep as well.
Yeah, from here.
Oh shit.
I
And
guess
then it's
only
gonna take
1.5 kilometer is left actually. So
away. Yeah. But it's
we'll make it. No problem.
yeah, of course we'll make it. I think
We are stopped here to take some refreshment juice,
we'll have some juice.
a lemon juice. Yeah. We just had our refreshment drink and we are good to go. I'm having so much energy today and I'm carrying a lot of energy with me. Good, positive energy. A lot of people is like standing over there actually. Okay, they are catching the fish over there and they are here to help us. Yes, we are having so much water today on the waterfall. Let's hope for a good. Lara, don't come down. It's so slippery. She is not listening to trek leader.
Yes, the stick, so she's the leader.
Okay, and finally we reached to the iconic bridge over here. Now it's a iron bridge, but before that it was made by local wood. Yeah, let's go, buddy. Don't be scared. I'm with you. Chalo, bandit. Whoa. Wow. Okay, so as I told you in the very much beginning that don't use plastic over here. Don't throw the plastic over here. You can use it, and then please keep the bottle inside your bag and get it back to the base, or else you can drop over here, because this thing the local people needs to carry to the base village. Be a responsible person. We cannot tell you guys how much we are happy now. Finally we got the rain over here, but we asked for a little rain, not like this big rain, but that's fine, that we'll adjust. What say? Yeah. What do you think? Whoa. Whoa. गाड़ी को फर्स्ट गियर में डाल और चल. She's getting tired. Pizza, potato, chips, you know, mayonnaise, momos. Yeah, everything is coming out now. Yeah,
Fried or steamed momos?
fried momos. We got the rain. Finally. Finally, you guys can see over there a little view of the waterfall. That means we are almost over there. We're reaching about the waterfall. Okay, so I don't know what to say, but I'm so excited. Since I guess you know, last December, or no, not in last December, you know, September, October, I went to this waterfall. Now I'm coming with these guys. So much fun. Going down with this without the glasses. That's amazing. God, thank you so much for this life. I know trick buddies are coming. Guys, I'm very excited to show you the waterfall. Finally, man, finally. And woo, look at this. I don't think so they will allow us to go inside of this. Yeah, we can go over there. Wow, this is so amazing. My God. Nice. Yeah. Everyone is smiling. Yeah. How's it?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dog. And the guys, look at the view. So amazing. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! We made it! Yeah! Yeah. This is so amazing. Whoa, my God. That's insane. I'm in a waterfall and just look at the view. Whoa! This is nice. Amazing. My God. It's huge, very huge. I don't know the camera is doing justice or not, but this is so amazing waterfall you guys can see now. Woo! So I hope you guys enjoyed the slow motion over there, and Rashna is sitting over there, Penny and Lara is sitting over there. So guys, you guys are having fun. Woo! They said that it's too cold, yeah, it's too cold. Oh my God, my goodness. Lara said, holy moly. This is holy moly thing, Lara. Sorry, friends, yeah. No, it's okay. How you feeling? Just tell me. Yeah. Start recording because we got a few guys over here. A few guys over here. Guys, say hi to the camera. So, we made a couple of boys over here, and they are having fun. आमचे मराठी पोरं सगळे. एवढा विचार केला आता काय करायचं. आनंद झालेला आहे आणि आम्ही मजा करतो इकडे. एकदम सुंदर वाटत आहे आणि मजा आली. लाईक करा, शेअर करा और सबस्क्राइब करा. Okay, so guys, we have more couple of guys with us. They're going to be my subscriber very soon. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye guys. Okay, so finally I'm going back. My friends are waiting over there, so I need to go. I know I'm having a little messy hair now. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. चलो, bye. Okay, and okay, you got already cake. I got for you. Okay, very sweet. Yeah. I got 2 subscribers today. Yeah. Really? Why you guys didn't come over there?
I have a cold.
Okay, I know. And you?
Yeah, also a little bit.
Okay, so guys, if you're carrying any plastic thing, you can drop over here. Here in the not there. It's here. And say final goodbye to this amazing waterfall. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I enjoyed more, but I wasn't there in waterfall, so I enjoyed a lot. So that's for now. And
Thank you so much for the idea.
yeah, that's good. No problem. Thank you so much. And I think that's enough for now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.